Hello, guys. Welcome to Co Academy. Guys, you must have heard the word arbitrage in the domain of stock market and financial management. But since Amazon came, okay, and Alibaba, Amazon, various online selling platforms, online retail platforms, there was a terminology which we often hear, and that is called retail arbitrage. The concept is same, okay. The concept arbitrage was the same as it was in the financial markets and as it is in the retail market. First, we will discuss arbitrage. What is arbitrage, and then it will be easier for you to grasp as to what is the meaning of retail arbitrage. So remember that arbitrage is simply making a risk-free profit. Now, how can you make a risk-free profit? Well, you buy something and then you sell simultaneously that thing, okay. So buying and selling is happening simultaneously. This means that you are not putting in your own money, okay. You are being exposed to the same sort of risks, okay. So this is what happened in stock market, and this is what happens in the retail market. Now let's talk about the definition with an example. Retail arbitrage is an e-commerce business model centered around buying inventory at a discount from online and offline retailers, then reselling it online for a profit. So what retail arbitragers do is that they are eyeing, as to whether any online retail store is offering special discounts. For example, off-season sales or sales on Christmas, or different Black Friday, White Friday discount sales. So what they do is that they already know that, okay. For example, if there is a very if there is a pair of shoes, dress shoes, okay, they know that in the online market they are being sold for $100. But soon whenever they hit a website or online retail store that says that, okay, exact that model of shoes is being offered at a discounted price, okay, for let's suppose $70. Now what the arbitragers will do is that they will buy that shoe for $70, and then they will put it on their own online retail store, okay. This means that they have made a risk-free profit. They are sure that they will make a profit of $30 because they know, and at the various online websites it's being sold for $100. So they have grabbed an opportunity at buying the same thing which is being sold at a higher price, and they bought it very cheaply at some other site. So this was basically about because of information asymmetry. They had more information. They knew that a sale was there. They took it, and now of course they are going to sell it as a higher price because they are sure that they will get more amount of money when they will sell it. So this is a sort of risk-free profit, and that is what is called arbitrage, and retail arbitrage is one example of it. Now the efforts involved. Now, of course, if it were free, everybody would do it, but it's not that easy. Okay, the real cost comes in the form of time, effort, and resources required to go back and forth between retailers, eyeing discounts and jumping on sales. So you're always glued to your mobile phones or laptops, wherever you used the online selling platforms, and you are eyeing these discounts and just to buy things at the discount and get away with it, okay. Then you will sell it at the current market price, which is the prevailing market price of the product. So retail arbitrage is a very famous business model, retail business model being practiced by many people, and of course those who are smart and they know that what a product is really worth and what is being offered at discount, they take advantage of these arbitrage situations, and they do make risk free profit. But it's not everybody's ball game, and people do lose money also. uh, if this video clarified your concept, then do comment. I will post more videos, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.